Hi everybody, my name is Gabe, and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I started the company Grow and Eat here in London, Ontario. It is a custom vegetable gardening company, and I have the goal of helping you successfully grow vegetables on your property. Whether it be in your backyard, front yard, patio, there are many ways that we can grow vegetables together right in our own properties. So, what we do at Grow and Eat is we offer a free consultation where we will come to your house and discuss with you where the best location is for your garden. One of the biggest things to consider before starting your vegetable garden is which areas get the most sunlight. Most vegetables require a minimum of 6 hours direct sunlight. So when we come over for our consultation, we want to make sure we choose the best location before you get too far ahead in building your garden beds. Next, what we do is we plan and design the garden for you. We'll look at how much space we have available and come up with a vegetable crop plan that's going to grow most efficiently use that space available. We'll choose the right crops from you based on conversations about why you want to grow vegetables in the first place and what your intention is for the vegetables. What kind of meals are you hoping to prepare? Whatever it may be, we're here to help. A little bit about myself is I've spent the last 2 years living and working on a farm just outside of London. That's Common Ground Farm. They're an organic, small-scale vegetable farm just outside of St. Thomas. Throughout my time at Common Ground Farm, I also spent a lot of time visiting other organic farms in southwestern Ontario. What I've done over the past few years is acquired a wide range of knowledge from multiple people about growing organically, and what I want to do is share that knowledge with you and empower people to grow vegetables on their own land. So that's what we're doing here at Grow and Eat. Right now I am in a hoop house. It's a plastic structure, and I'm at an urban farm here in London, Ontario called Urban Roots London. They're an amazing organization. It's a non-profit organization, and what they're trying to do is provide nutritious vegetables for everybody. We want nutritious organic vegetables to be available to as many people as possible, and that's what I'm trying to do at Grow and Eat. So at Grow and Eat, we've partnered with a company just outside of London called Plantables. You can check them out at plantables.ca. They are a phenomenal company that offers an amazing service of growing organic vegetable seedlings and delivering them to your doorstep. You go on their website at plantables.ca and you browse their vegetable seedlings, and you kind of create your shopping cart, choose a delivery date and time, and the vegetables come delivered to your doorstep. So those are the vegetables we use at Grow and Eat for your gardens. They're professionally grown, and they come to your doorstep super healthy and ready for the growing season. So basically, you can follow us on Instagram at Grow and Eat, grow.and.eat. We're on Facebook at Grow and Eat, and visit our website www.growandeat.ca. I wanted to introduce myself on this channel because over the course of the growing season, I'm going to be posting videos as resources to help you grow successfully. I'll make videos about transplanting, trellising, pruning, harvesting, seeding. I'm going to cover a lot over the next few months, and I hope that you tune in and you follow along with me and you ask questions and you subscribe to my gardening channel. So I look forward to meeting you guys and working with you here in London, Ontario. I hope you have a really great weekend, and see you later. Bye-bye.